Welcome back. You're watching our special election show, The Political Pradesh. And in our state of war, Punjab, it's been a political quake in the election-bound state of Punjab, because in this war of Sardars, Captain Amrinder Singh decided to launch his election symbol, which is a hockey bat and ball. But, of course, it led to all sorts of reactions. First, Bhagwant Mann said, shockingly, that the nature and future of Captain Amrinder Singh will be like a torn cloth ball, exactly like a symbol. Navjot Singh Sidhu, a former sportsperson himself, went further ahead and dared Captain Amrinder Singh to play hockey with him and said he's round exactly like the ball in the symbol.
कैप्टन साहब ਨੂੰ ਹਾਕੀ ਤੇ ਬਾਲ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਵੈਸੇ ਪਿੰਡਾਂ 'ਚ ਖਿੱਦੋ ਖੁੰਡੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਖਿੱਦੋ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕੋਲੇ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ ਹਜੇ ਪਰ ਜਦੋਂ ਖਿੱਦੋ ਬਣ ਗਈ ਉਹਨੇ ਲੀਰਾਂ ਖਿੱਦੋ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਖਿੰਡਦੀ ਆ ਉਹ 'ਚੋਂ ਲੀਰਾਂ ਨਿਕਲਦੀਆਂ ਬਸ ਸਿਰਫ ਸੋ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਲੋਕ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਦੂਜੀ ਵਾਰ ਵੱਡਾ ਕੋਈ ਧੋਖਾ ਖਾਣਗੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਵਾਰ ਕੈਪਟਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਤੇ ਯਕੀਨ ਕਰਕੇ ਖਾਣਗੇ.
And that's not all. In fact, a shocking comment has come from Bikram Singh Majithia. Remember, he is a controversial figure and he's now got an anticipatory bail in the NDPS case. He is from the Shiromani Akali Dal, has of course a family connection to the Badals as well, and he has claimed that it is Charanjit Singh Channi's government that deliberately got him trapped, that he's otherwise innocent, and has come forth making shocking allegations that all of this was a conspiracy hatched at Channi's residence. Listen in.
A government that can hatch a conspiracy against the Prime Minister. Because in the recent past, in my memory, no Prime Minister has had to face the situation. It's not about Mr. Modi alone. It's about a constitutional post. And if his security and such serious lapses can happen with him, do you think it just happened? I think we are all fooling ourselves. It was a conspiracy hatched in the CM house by Mr. Channi, the Home Minister, DGP Chattopadhyay, and the PPCC President. And that's why that incident happened at Firozpur. The Chief Minister travels on a daily basis. The PPCC President travels on a daily basis. I never see them standing on the road for 20 minutes.
Meanwhile, another party, the Aam Aadmi Party, is also busy campaigning in Punjab. But one Neta who went from Delhi to Punjab, Raghav Chadha, was embroiled in a controversy. There appeared to be two warring factions of the Aam Aadmi Party that got into a scuffle, and the middle of it, as it appeared, was Raghav Chadha. I spoke to him. Was he there? How did he manage to get out? Why is there a revolt within the Aam Aadmi Party? And who is going to be the Chief Minister's face of Arvind Kejriwal's party in Punjab? Here's what he told me just a short while ago. Punjab is an election-bound state, and with heightened political activity, today has been also a day of press conferences from Navjot Singh Sidhu, also Bhagwant Mann of the Aam Aadmi Party speaking. We've had Aam Aadmi Party consistently been trying to gain ground in the election-bound state. And of course, other parties, whether it is the Congress leading with regard to charges, Bikram Singh Majithia, is a controversy. And of course, the bail has also gained much ground in the election-bound state. Today, I'm joined by Raghav Chadha. He is the co-in-charge of the Aam Aadmi Party in Punjab. In many ways, he's also sort of leading the campaign in the past few days. So Raghav, my first question would be, of course, because you have been there in Punjab for a while now, but you come from Delhi. Recently, there was also an untoward incident, so to say, that happened with you. What exactly happened in Jalandhar? Let's just start with that. Of course, the political opponents used it to attack you. Within the party, it appeared. Is there an internal revolt? Is the Aam Aadmi Party selling tickets to the wrong people? You were in the middle of that. What happened, Raghav?
You've known me for so many years, Pooja. Some of us have left our flourishing careers to come and clean Indian politics, to actually extract politics from this dirty, mess that it's submerged in. And as far as that Jalandhar incident is concerned, we have more than 1 crore members of the Aam Aadmi Party Punjab. Out of those, only 117 can contest elections because only 117 seats are there in the state of Punjab. So those who were aspiring for a ticket could not get a ticket. of course felt bad, and they were angry, they were upset, and two rival factions of a particular seat in Jalandhar got together, and they sort of had a fight among themselves. That scuttle that broke out was happening on the ground floor. I was on the first floor. The propaganda machinery of the BJP and the Congress started projecting as if I am in the middle of the fight, as if I am being, caused physical harm or hurt. Though I was on the first floor doing a press conference, I answered all the queries of my friends from the media. After that, I quietly left, and that's pretty much it. It shows three things. Number one, it is only yes. I'll tell you.
You didn't leave that.
No. I left through the main gate. Number one. Number two. The most important point is it is only that political party. It is only that political party that is actually winning the election, that has a wave in the state for whose ticket there will be some sort of competition. Have you seen any person in Punjab saying, I want a ticket of the BJP from Samrala, or I want a ticket of the BJP from Talwandi Sabo, or I want a ticket of the BJP from Lehra, or I want to fight on a BJP election ticket from Chamkaur Sahib or Banga? Simply because BJP stands nowhere. Congress doesn't stand anywhere. It is only and only the Aam Aadmi Party which is a winning horse in this Punjab election, and therefore everyone wants to ride this horse, and therefore it's but natural that there will be some sort of displeasure among those people who are denied the right to contest in the year 2022. But it is our party. We have met all those people. All those people were called. They had a lovely conversation with all of us. We served chai to them. We spoke to them. They're our family. वो सब मान गए, बात खत्म हो गई. But BJP and Congress are trying to, play it up as if, oh my God, Aam Aadmi Party is in a complete state of disarray. Mega violence has broke out.
Tickets are being sold. That your process is very transparent for the Aam Aadmi Party, not going to wrong candidates.
That, Hindi mein, I would like to say this so that you understand this and you listen to this correctly and your viewers understand this, which is कि वो रकम अभी तक नहीं बनी और वो इंसान अभी तक पैदा नहीं हुआ जो राघव चड्ढा को या अरविंद केजरीवाल को खरीद ले.
Okay, big words there, Raghav. So, because Arvind Kejriwal is, of course, the big face of the party, he's the chief minister, he's the national convener, and with regard to Delhi, he's the one. But for Punjab, the question was asked to Bhagwant Mann as well. You are this young, bright face. Am I speaking to right now, if the Aam Aadmi Party wins, or even during the elections, the chief ministerial front runner, a candidate of the Aam Aadmi Party in Punjab?
No, you're getting it all wrong. I may hail from the state of Punjab. I am not contesting the upcoming 2022 elections. I have no desire to contest the upcoming 2022 elections. My party doesn't want me to contest the 2022 elections. We will announce a Sikh face as our chief minister. We will announce somebody who can be called the Aan Baan Shaan of Punjab as our CM face. And very soon we will announce the name of that particular individual.
When can we expect that, Raghav? Are we looking at it after elections, before elections? Because many are speculating if it will be Bhagwant Mann or someone else.
Well, I can't, dive deep into as to who would be that particular individual. I would only say that you won't be disappointed when we reveal that name. Let's wait for a bit, and very soon, since now the Model Code of Conduct has been put in force. The elections are almost a month away. We will very soon, very shortly announce a chief ministerial face. Now, while I am very confidently as the co-in-charge for my party in the state of Punjab can say that, yes, we will announce a chief ministerial face. My question to Akali Dal as well as the Congress party is, will they announce a CM face? It's but natural that there is a lot of curiosity among my friends in the media as well as in the people of Punjab as to who will be that person from the Aam Aadmi Party who will be declared as the CM face. I understand the curiosity simply because that particular individual is going to be the next chief minister, because Aam Aadmi Party is winning every opinion poll. But nobody is asking as to who will be the Congress's chief minister face. Nobody is interested as to who will be the Akali Dal CM face.
So while the Aam Aadmi Party in Punjab is mulling who to bring into their party, in Uttar Pradesh, meanwhile, there appears to be a slew of resignations within the BJP. Today itself, in fact, two big names did come up, and one, of course, was the minister in the Yogi Adityanath government. UP's Labour Minister Swami Prasad Maurya quit as the minister, switching today itself to rival Samajwadi Party of Akhilesh Yadav. Swami Prasad Maurya, in his resignation letter, wrote, and I quote here, "Despite a divergent ideology, I worked with dedication in the Yogi Adityanath cabinet, but because of the grave oppression of Dalits, OBCs, farmers, unemployed and small businessmen, I am resigning." And that was not all. Roshan Lal Verma and Bhagwati Prasad, both BJP MLAs, quit the party. And caught on the wrong foot now, the BJP ropes in Sunil Bansal, Swatantra Dev Singh to pacify the dissidents. So, of course, at this point today, one saffron minister donning the Lal Topi.
आपके ऊपर आरोप है कि बेटे को टिकट नहीं मिला, इसलिए आप पार्टी छोड़ दी।
अरे बेटे या बेटी को टिकट मिले ना मिले इससे कोई मतलब नहीं भाई। हमारे सामने पूरा प्रदेश है, दलित है, पिछड़ा है, किसान है, बेरोजगार नौजवान है, छोटे लघु मध्यम व्यापारी हैं, इसलिए उनके हितों की मुझे चिंता है। एक बेटा नहीं, 1000 बेटे हमारे उत्तर प्रदेश में हैं, इसलिए हम उन सब की लड़ाई लड़ते हैं। हम केवल एक बेटी और बेटे के चक्कर में राजनीति नहीं करते हैं।
आप विधायक लेकर आप इस्तीफा लेकर के गए थे स्वामी प्रसाद जी का, आपका अपना क्या निर्णय है? इधर
स्वामी प्रसाद जी के साथ
आप भी इस्तीफा दे दिए विधायक से?
ऐसा है, आचार संहिता लग गई, विधायक की कोई उचित नहीं होता है। मैं कोई
बीजेपी छोड़ रहे हैं ना? बीजेपी छोड़ दी आपने?
छोड़ नहीं रहे, छोड़ दी है।
छोड़ दी है
स्वामी प्रसाद जी के साथ।
सपा में जा रहे हैं?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
अच्छा ये बताइए 5 साल तक, ये बताइए 5 साल तक,
अरे 5 साल तक शिकायतें आप लोगों को जानकारी होगी, करते रहे, अपने उच्च नेताओं से करते रहे कि ये नहीं सुन रहे हैं।
हम लोग लंबे समय से प्रयास कर रहे थे और इस्तीफा हम लोगों ने जब प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर ली और स्वामी प्रसाद मौर्य जी और हम सब लोग लंबे समय से जो प्रदेश की जनता की आवाज़ थी उस पर हम लोग मंथन कर रहे थे।
विरोध आखिर पार्टी के शीर्ष नेताओं को क्यों नहीं दिखाई पड़ा?
अब ये तो वो जो उनसे पूछिए
ये बात, और शीर्ष नेताओं को भी कही होगी।
कहा हमने लिख करके दिया।
किस को लिख के दिया?
हमने जो मुख्यमंत्री जी के जो हेड थे और जो सरकार चलाते प्रशासन, उनको सबका लिख करके देते रहे ना।
तो अब आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? स्वामी प्रसाद मौर्य का तो क्लियर हो गया कि वो समाजवादी पार्टी में,
सब लोग एक साथ जाएंगे।
देखिए, हमने अपना इस्तीफा माननीय स्वामी प्रसाद मौर्य जी के समर्थन में दिया है और जो भी निर्णय माननीय स्वामी प्रसाद मौर्य जी का होगा हम उस निर्णय के साथ में हैं और जहां पर भी वो जाएंगे वहां पर उनके साथ रहेंगे। लगातार भारतीय जनता पार्टी में रह करके जनहित के कार्यों को कराने का प्रयास रहा है, लेकिन जिस तरीके से भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार ने गरीबों और कमजोरों की उपेक्षा किया, खासतौर से पिछड़े दलित अल्पसंख्यक वर्ग के लोगों की, तो जिस प्लेटफॉर्म पर बात रखनी थी वो रखी गई। जब सुधार होता हुआ नहीं दिखा है तो आज ये निर्णय हम लोगों को लेना पड़ा है।
उत्तर प्रदेश में परिवर्तन आने वाला है। आज मौर्य जी ने जो इस्तीफा दिया मिनिस्ट्री से और पार्टी से, और इस्तीफा लेकर समाजवादी पार्टी को सहयोग देने की बात उन्होंने कही, और साथ साथ इनके साथ भी 13 MLA और कुछ साथी वो इसमें ज्वाइन होने वाले हैं। और आज मौर्य से शुरुआत है, अब देखेंगे अगले कुछ दिनों में हर दिन कोई ना कोई नया चेहरा वहाँ से छोड़कर यहाँ आएगा और परिवर्तन के प्रक्रिया में शामिल होगा।